Hey, what's up everyone? Today I wanted to detail the Trans Am. The previous owner, whoever the hell it was, or maybe the last two owners, kind of left it outside. So, the old GM paint kind of sucks. So I'm gonna detail it, maybe bring the paint back to life, and this is what I'm gonna use. I just ordered this from Tourque Detailer, and this is a Decon soap to kind of clear off all the chemicals that have been on the vehicle, and then we're gonna clay bar it and do a ceramic detailer. So we shall see how it looks like, and this is what it looks like right now. A little dirty, but I'm gonna wash it, and you'll be able to tell the faded spots on, especially on top up here where it usually is on these F bodies. And I think this ceramic coating works on the wheels too. So stay with me and see what happens. Got that done. Now to dry. Well, I guess most of the water off. Now I can just dry it off really quick. Going to use these microfiber towels that they sent with the kit. So I just finished washing it and drying it, and it's funny, I think if you ever go buy a car, especially a used car, I think the dealership should let you wash it first, because you'll never know until you wash it what kind of condition the body's in, or the paint, especially the paint. So I know this car was repainted before, and the guy, they told me it was repainted, and then you kind of wash it into the details and whatnot, and you can kind of tell all the imperfections. One spray good right here, just dirt in the paint. You'd like really have to remove all the clear and everything and sand it down. But I mean, it's probably, I would say, a 5-footer. I don't know if you can pick this up on camera or not, but the wing is kind of faded a little bit, just like over here. There's a haze on the bumper. Not even sure if they'll pick it up or not, but unless I want a brand new paint job that's gonna cost me 10 grand, unless my YouTube channel gets famous or something, I'm just gonna maintain it, clean it up, detail it, maybe wrap it. Seems to be a cheaper version these years. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and throw that clay on it. I might do the wing first just to see how it goes, and go from there. So this is a Tourque detailer. This is the clay lube. Instructions are to kind of keep the surface wet, just so you don't end up scratching anything. And here's the clay, I guess the bar you supposed to rub it down with. It says don't use a circular motion. This is to remove all the contamination before we put the coat on. Scrub lightly. It smells like pineapple. That's good. Smells really good. I like it. Try to keep it wet so it doesn't scratch anything. Again, we're gonna dry it off and see how it turned out, and maybe buff it out with that detailer they have. Now I'm gonna apply this ceramic shine. Second towel to buff it in. Looks pretty good. Very smooth. That foggy look from the old paint clear coat, most of it's gone, actually. Most of it's gone. Looks good. There you have it. I might apply a little bit more, but that's it. Join me next time. I'll do the rest of the car, but I just want to do the wing. A little short on time today, but I actually ended up giving it a second coat, and there's nothing foggy anymore. It's gone. So it looks really good. So smooth compared to the rest of the car. We got some contamination down here, but yeah, this still feels a little coarse here, but up here, so smooth. All the way across. I can't see any more fog, so that's good. I can't wait to apply it to the rest of the car. Over here, especially on the bumper, pretty foggy. I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty foggy down here. So I'm gonna end up doing the rest of the car and see how good it turns out. Maybe I can save this shitty ass paint job anyways. Thank y'all for joining me. Please subscribe, get some notifications, hit that notification button, get some new stuff going on here. I just put a system in the car, and I'll show you all the details on this next time. Thank y'all. Have a good day.